Just hold, ah. Just hold.
Bitaw yung isang perma.
Careful, ready your pots, ha. Ready your pots. Yo, dep now. Yo, walking now. Ready. Party 2, shallow Isadas na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow Isadas. Party 2. You ready? In the middle, party 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit the middle now. Hit me. Then come southwest. Click the gate now. Click the gates. Click the gates, guys. Click the gates. Click the gates. Come south. Come kanan. Ilang percent ang gate na to? Come kanan. Over the wall northeast.
14 na yan. Basag na yan.
Okay, yeah. Ready over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Hit. Come back na. Away from over the wall, guys. Careful. Come back now. Canon. Di ko kayo pinapush. Uy. Di ko kayo pinapush, guys. Di ko kayo pinapush.
Meron silang mga arcanes na nag-hug the wall, ah. They can silence you if you're
Di ko kayo pinapush, okay?
the right position.
Di ko kayo pinapush, guys. Let them in.
Mga nagre-regear, may ganker sa labas, ha.
Let them in, okay? You ready? Over the wall northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Come back. Def now. Come back, guys. You ready? Party to shallow the gate dito. Party to shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party to shallow the gate. Okay, come back now. Come back. Let them bash it. Oh my god.
77% yan. 60%.
Ready, Dep, sa akin, ha? You ready? Over the wall northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northwest now. Come back now. Come back southwest. Kite kagad. Kite south. Dep front. You ready? Party to shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party to shallow the gate. Okay, come back na.
We have another engagement.
Come back. Dep. You ready? Walk in. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Ready your pass, okay? Walk in. Ready? Deep northeast. Part 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, come back now. Southwest now. Hit southwest Isadas. Come back now. Pull that now. Ready? Come back. Pangit.
Nag-engage sila.
Yeah, wag. Come back. Careful. Come back.
Yo, they engage.
Kita nyo to, grabe yung
Cancel.
pinapapukpok nyo lang. Grabe yung bedrock, guys. I need guard runes. Night helms and guard runes, guys. Come back. Ganun yung timing dapat. Nakadalawang engage na sila. Nauna tayo tapos mag-walk-in tayo. Pero kailangan ko ng guard rune dun, guys. Yung bedrock nila. Minamata ako. You ready? Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2. Why no guard rune? Night helms, guys. Puta. Kakasabi ko lang, guys. Away from southeast na. Come back here. Hachu. You might die. 2. Come back kayo dito. Play tayo kanan.
They're northeast side. They engage on couples.
Yo. Party to shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Isadas now. Party to shallow Isadas. Shallow. Ready? Shallow Isadas again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the ditang. Hit. Come back na.
Lokin sila.
Come back pass. Away. Come back kanan.
Their demons are on now.
Come back kanan, guys. Come back kanan. Hello. Come back kanan. We play on the kanan. Yo. Come deep south.
Engage yan yung harap mo.
Guys, kaya kayo na-engage dyan kasi inahayaan nyo sila dyan. Bebedra kayo na ako dito. Pustahan tayo. Ilagan nyo lang to. Ready. Over the one northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the one northeast now. Come back na. Ganun di mo nila. Sakto. Come back. Yo, party to shallow on this bedrock in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on this bedrock. Hit this bedrock. Come back na. Wala nang gigs yan, ha. Come back. Markahan ko na yan. Come back, guys. To let them engage you. Uy! Oh my God. Overextended. Everyone, come to canon nga. Everyone, come canon. Everyone come canon. Yo, party 1, shallow northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northwest now. Kill this tanks. Come back now. Let them in. Come back now. Party 2, get ready. Let them in, guys.
They're looking.
Careful, ready your pads. Okay, wala pa yun, hindi pa yung tunay. Meron pa yan. Yo, let them in. Huy. Brolin nyo naman to. Oh my God. Party 2 shallow on this bedrock in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this bedrock northwest. Brolin sa patayin na natin dapat to Yo, ready. Party 1 on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy. Kill this bedrock, guys. Kill this bedrock. Nice kill. Come back now. Come back fast. Kill this bedrock. Come back. Diba? Pitas lang. To, kidnapin nyo na to. Pro boxer. Wag don't kill that. Pro boxer yan. Pisting yawa naman. Ba't nandito yan? Oh my God.
Don't follow that, Sandy. Let them
Don't kill the pro boxer. You ready? Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Kamak na. Pangit yung trip ng pro boxer. Dapat di sila dyan. Come southwest na.
Mag-isa lang.
Come kanan.
Don't kill pro boxer, guys. Leave him alone.
Huwag nyo kilyan. Hayaan nyo sila manggulo. Guys! Dev. Guys, pull nyo naman. I-pull nyo na. Ito na yun I-pull nyo na. Nakikita nyo naman kung hirap sila Puro lang sila overextended yung pinipick-ups nila. Guys, again, if you're overstaying, you might die, okay? Sasayang kayo ng gig patch, sasayang kayo ng depth ng support na magtutulong sa inyo. Imbis na nandito kayo sa loob, sila papapasok. Dito nga, stack on me.
Shelva, Yevad, atras mo na kayo.
Yo, stack on me. Look for me. Okay, now spread.
Inching.
Now spread. Mamarkahan ko si I Love BJ Now spread. Yung golem na ito, fake lang yan. Hindi pa yan tunay. Careful. That's not real. Bro inside you. Diba? Play safe sila Yo, ready. Depth now. Yo, party 2 shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2 shallow northeast. Everyone walking. Ready. Party 1, deep northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest now. On me. Hit. Nice hit. Then brawl na. Walk in. Just brawl. Walk into them. Proper pass now in demons. Walk into them. Everyone walk into them. Di ba andali? Walk into them. Ready to count depth. Ready to depth. Depth now. Wait. Careful, that's not the real one. You ready? Your pots. Ready your pots. Walk in. Just walk in.
Pati sila. Nauna sila.
Walk in, bro.
Laging yung ano nila.
Come back first. Looking. You ready? Party 2 shallow southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southeast now. Ready. Party 1. Deep east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then depth now. Hit. Come back northwest. Kidnapin nyo to. Kidnap the healer. Come back now. Okay. Come back west.
You're working.
Engage na sila.
Come back west, guys.
Pull. Flap pulls.
Come back west.
Uy,
come back, guys. Ditang.
Gogi, masyado yung
Itong pro
malalim.
boxer.
Diretso pa rin kayo, guys.
Guys, come west. Yun na yung timing. Come west. You ready, party 1? Deep northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 1, deep northeast. Come back now. Full depth now. They come back. Come back. Preemptive. Boy, come back na. Hindi ko kayo pinapapastay dyan, oy.
Ibi sausage.
Come southwest.
Nahihila ako.
Come southwest. Sige, kung nakikidnap yun. Careful, may isa pa yan. Yo, party 2 shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party shallow northeast. Okay, walk in. Come back.
Yo, isang heavy mace. Tingin sa enigmatic nila.
Come back na southwest. Go back to the cannon room. Ito yan, guys. Yung engages nila, dalawa. Yung isa golem, yung isa yung hila lang ng golem. I want two heavy mace to watch both engage, okay? Tig-isa kayo. Isa dun sa unang golem, isa dun sa hila. Okay? Huwag kayong magsabay. Again, come back nga muna.
Loob.
Para malinaw, come back now. Yan o, diba? Golem. Tapos may engage yan na hila ng golem. Come back. Parang hindi nyo pa alam yung galaw nila eh.
5 minutes.
Obvious na Come back southwest, come back kanan. Again guys, dalawang ditang nga lang kailangan ko dun eh. Isang heavy mace sa una, sa golem. Isa dun sa hila.
Pull off. Uy, Abso, Shelva.
Una sa golem, kahit di nyo depensahan yan ng defense, ang demons okay lang. Yung pangalawa yung hard nila. Yung hard hitting engage nila, pangalawa yun. Kasi mabilis yun, kasi di ba hila yun. Guys, ginagawa ko yun guys, that alam nyo nun. Ready? Hold. Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Come back now, come back now, come back now, come back now. Come back now.
GA na, GA.
Come back, nice GA. Come back. Nakamarka si BJ, oh. Yan lang yung gumagawa ng mga engages nila, guys. Dual purpose siya. Golem and Hila. Kung di nyo pa rin gets, so inspect nyo. Inspect yung golem niya, ano?
Ano
yung W? Overextended naman. You ready? Overdoll Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Overdoll Northeast now. Overdoll Northeast. Nice hit. Then come back now. Come back now. Kitapin nyo na to. Yo, party 2 engage on this tank. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2 engage on this tank. Nice soldier, El. Yo, careful. They might hit. Come na cannon. Come kanon, guys. Come kanon, guys. Get ready. Overdoll Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Overdoll Northeast now. Come back cannon, guys. Come back cannon. Pull them sa cannon, guys. Tapusin na natin to. Sado nang tumatag. Sinabi ko na, isang engage golem form, isa hila. Yung second nila, yung hard hitting. Yung unang engage, isang Judy lang, tsaka heals. Sok na yun. Okay? That's it. That's their play.
Huwag nyo takutin sa harap, guys.
Come south, let them in. Come south.
Kuya Bert, papasawan nyo.
Come south. Okay, hug the wall west. Hug the wall southwest. Be opposite of them. Okay, yan. Let them in, okay? Now spread north. Yo, yan yung tunay. Yo, ready, party 2, shallow Sadas now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow Sadas now. Party 2. Yeah, ready. Party 1 sa nagbibeam. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Sadas now. Kill this guys. Hit. Come back now.
Pulling you off.
Spread southwest. Kita nyo hila na engage. Yun yung tunay, guys. Kidnap this guy. Try to kidnap this guy. Yo, don't clamp up. Oh my god. Oh, spread ulit southwest. Spread west. Kahit anong west. Northwest, south. Spread. Yo, tunay yan. Dev. Yo, walking now and brawl. Just walk in and brawl. Ready to soak yung isa pa na yung engage, ha? You ready? Walk in. Nakikita nyo to? Naiiwan sa west, oh. Yo, kamas. Kill this guy. Yung beamer. Kamas.
Meron pang isa.
Yo, party 2, shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast now. Oh, come back na. Come back. Help.
Gijig sarap.
You're ready, walk in. Everyone walking. Nakita nyo to, mark. Yo, part 1 on my mark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside us now. Hit. Okay, come back na. Ganda na, so. Come back na, kill nyo to. Execute that shit. Oh my god, pag nabuhay yan. Execute kita. You ready, so. Yo, walking na. Pats now. Spread. Walking. Ready. Party 2. Deep southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2 deep southeast now. Deep southeast. Depth. Pull depth now. Pats now. Ready. Deep southwest. Part 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look for me. Isadas now. Isadas is all of them. Nice hit. Tapos na, diba? Walking na. Clear up. Fucking clear up. Spread and kill them. Patayin siya ala BJ sa northeast. Patayin tong gumag na to.
Permo, dito, northeast, pumping.
Bulo natin yan, 6-3 yan, lifting.
Yeah.
Wala akong ano, kahit ano.
Sige lang.
Mount up Danera Mount.
Is masyado yung ini-stress yung basic, ha. Yung info, binibigay na sa inyo, pinifeed na. Patayin nyo yung mga gankers, baka may pulot yan.
Mga ditang, wala yung si Zoro sa screen nyo. Overextended kayo.
Sabi ko sa kanila,
sa sinod lang na tero.
May ka nga sa kanila, walang point yung binabantayan nila eh.
Si Zoro dapat, kuhan nyo guys.
Pag walang crown sa paningin nyo, wag kayo
Guys, yung distance ng ditang sa akin nakadepende.
Play
Pag
for
di nyo
Zoro.
nakakita, mali na yun.
Hindi ibig sabihin pinapapull off yung castle sa cannon room, hindi rin kayo magpo-pull off. Kasi anong point na pag-pull off niya kung wala din kayo doon, di ba? Sino babantayan nyo doon? Sarili nyo.
Tara na. Cam cannon. Loot this shit up. Tapos na. Loot.
Ako na. Ay, Danera.
Game guys, early pa lang. Sobrang kaya ng tapusin.
Pag hindi kayo officer, huwag kayo makibukas muna, please. Thank you. 11M. Ay, ikaw, Zerg, puno ako. Ay, ito may bug.
Bago siyang ano. Yun yung hindi ko nakita sa kanya kagabi. I mean, yun yung ginagawa niya kagabi. Kaya mukhang dalawang engage. Ngayon ko lang na-clear na ganun yung ginagawa.
Nag-offensive snare yung ano?
Hindi. Yung golem,